This is from the chapter Quadratic Equation, exercise 4.4, question number 4. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present age. What is the situation? The sum of the age of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their age in years was 48. So in the question asking, this situation is possible or not? If possible, if so, means if possible, we have to determine their present age. So this answer will give whether it is possible or not. We'll see after the solution. So let us come to the solution. Asking you to find their present age, we directly, if possible, we will assume their present age. Let the present age of one of the friend is x years. One of the age present age is x year, we assume. Since the sum of the age of two friends is 20 years, therefore the age of the other friends will be, therefore the age of the other, that means another friend, age of the another present age of the another friend will be 20 minus x, because sum of the present age of the two friends is 20. If one is x, the another will be 20 minus x. Also, according to question, it is given 4 years ago. You just look at the question. 4 years ago, the product of their age in years was 48. 4 years ago. So, one of the friends' age is x. 4 years ago, his age will be x minus 4. Another friend's 20 minus x. This is the present age of the another friend. Another one, and 4 years ago his age will be minus 4. 4 years ago means before 4 years, his age will be 4 less. So this is the age of 4 years ago, one of the friend, and this is the age of the other friend. Age is 4 years ago, age is this one. Was it 4 years ago, the product of their age was 48. Product of their age was 48. This is the situation of the last line. 4 years ago, the product of their age in years was 48. 4 years ago, product of their age was 48. It implies x minus 4 into, you can write here into, if you don't write also no problem. 20 minus 4 is 16, minus x is remaining same, equal to 48 is remaining same. Again it implies x into 16 minus x minus 4 into 16 minus x equal to 48 is remaining same. Again it implies x into 16, 16x, x into x square. Remember, positive negative, it will be negative. Here also the same. 4 into 16, 64, it will be negative, minus plus is minus. 4 into x, 4x, minus minus is plus, it will be positive. In the right side 48 is remaining same. Now make it simple. 16x 4x, they are like term, you can add them. 16 plus 4x, it will be 20x, minus x square remaining same, minus 64 remaining same. 48 is taking to the left side, it will be minus 48 equal to 0. In the right side remain nothing, that is 0. 20x minus x square remaining same, minus 64 minus 48, we can calculate among them. Minus minus is plus, it will be plus, you will get 102, but the sign will be minus. Remember, when you add all the negatives, it will be remain as negative. Equal to 0 is remaining same. Now let me arrange in standard form. Minus x square plus 20x minus 102 equal to 0. Now it becomes completely a quadratic equation. So we can solve it, but before solving, one thing we can check it, whether it is exists or not. So to check it, let me recognize, you have to recognize the value of a, it will be minus 1, b value will be plus 20, c value will be minus 102. So to check whether it is exists or not, or whether this situation is possible or not, we have to find this value, that is called discriminant of the equation. B square minus 4ac value we need to find. So b square minus 4ac, b value is 20, a value is 1, minus 1, and c value is minus 102. And let us calculate and see what we will get. 20 square is 400, minus 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 plus, plus minus minus, it will be minus 102 into 1 into 4, you will get 408. And you will get from here 400 minus 408, you will get minus 8. That means b square minus 4ac value is less than 0. And you already know, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then there have no real roots. There is no real roots. That means the equation, that is, it has no real roots. That means it is not exist. That means the given situation is not possible to get a solution, to get the present age of their friends. So your first question answer will be, is the following situation possible? Your answer will be no. Therefore you can write like this: no means the given situation is not possible. No, the given situation is not possible.